大家好, I'm Xīnyú 老师. Let's continue our today's lesson. In our previous lesson, we've learned the 4 tones in Chinese. Now, let's do a quick practice together. So, follow the letter card on the screen and read the finals aloud as it moves. So, first one we've learned is the first tone. We can say ah. Ah, it's a high flat tone. Let's read them together. Let's go. Ah, I, ow, an, on. Well done. The second tone is ah. All right, let's read the finals together. Ah, I, ow, and on. Very good. The third tone, we go down first and then we go up. Ah. All right, let's read it. Ah, I, ow, and on. Very good. The last tone, the fourth tone, ah, from up to the bottom. Let's read them. Ah, I, ow, an, on. Well done. Let's move to the part 3 of pinyin, the neutral tone. Apart from 4 tones mentioned previously, there is another tone in Chinese, which is short and light, known as the neutral tone. So what is the neutral tone? Due to the influence of the surrounding syllables, the neutral tone loses its inherent tone. It sounds much weaker and the tone pitch much shorter than that of 4 tones. Well, as we all know, the 4 tones can be showed on the 5-degree notation. So the first tone plus the neutral tone, it will be first tone 5 to 5, and the neutral tone is at the number 2 position. So here is the word mom. In Chinese, we say mama. So first tone, and the last pinyin is the neutral tone. Mama. See, you can tell it's short and weak. And the second tone plus the neutral tone. Second tone is 3 to 5. Ah, and the neutral tone's position is at the number 3. So here is the word. This word means grandpa. We say it in Chinese, 爷爷, 爷爷. And the third tone plus the neutral tone. So the third tone is 2 to 1 and 4. Go down and up. Ah. And the neutral tone, it will be ended at the number 4 position. So the words grandma in Chinese, which is 奶奶. So pay attention to here. The pitch of the neutral tone is a little bit high after the third tone. So let's say it one more time. 奶奶. Last one is the 4th tone plus the neutral tone. So which is 4th tone 5 to 1 ah, and plus neutral tone in the position 1. So it will be this word, father, 爸爸, 爸爸. Very good. Now please read these 4 words after me. Mama, mama. 爷爷，爷爷。奶奶，奶奶。爸爸，爸爸。Well done. Now read the syllables aloud and pay attention to the neutral tone. So read after me. 桌子，房子，椅子，柜子，他们，人们，我们，弟弟，衣服，儿子， 喜欢，认识，先生，朋友，晚上，漂亮。Well done. Now let's move into the part 4 of Pinyin, the rules of Pinyin number 1, tone marking. So in Chinese Pinyin, tone marks are written above finals. But when there are 2 or more finals in a Pinyin, which one gets a tone mark? So here's the rule. The tone mark goes on the final that is pronounced with the mouth open. So there is a special order we followed. Final a first, and next is final o, and next is next is i, next is u, and last is yu. This means if the final has an a, the tone mark goes on a. If there is no a, but there is an o, mark o, and so on, following the order. So let's look at this pinyin. If we want to mark the first tone, which final should we mark? Final a or final o? According to the order, we should mark the final a, because when we pronounce final a, the mouth open more. And let's look at another example. This pinyin, which one should we mark? According to this order. Great, we should mark final o, because o is before the final u. So which is tou. And how about this pinyin? Which final we should mark? Final or final i? According to the special order, is in front of i, so we should mark Great. But there is one exception, the final yo. Even though i comes first, but the tone mark is placed on u sound, because yo is actually an abbreviation of you. We remove o sound when we write it in pinyin. So look at these examples. The first one, if we want to mark the first tone, so which one we mark? Which final, i or u? Yes, we will mark the final u sound, liu. And next one, the same, final u sound. And there's another thing you need to pay attention. So the neutral tone has no tone mark. Just leave it. Alright, now let's read the syllables aloud and pay attention to the position of the tone marks. 学校，帮忙，篮球，女儿，游泳，手表，周瑜，公司，时间，身体，考试，国家，报纸，好吃，谢谢，客气。Well done. Now let's look at the rules of Pinyin Part 2, abbreviation. Some compound finals in Pinyin are abbreviated when used after an initial. So when you, we, or when follows an initial, they are written as you, we, and when respectively. For example, so here, the original final is you, so the abbreviated form will remove o, we write i and u directly. For example, 牛, 牛. And the original final is we, The abbreviated form is U and E. We remove sound. So here the example 龟 龟 and last one 温. The abbreviated form is 温. We remove sound. So like this one 轮 轮. Very good. Now read the syllables aloud and pay attention to positions of the abbreviated finals. Please read after me. 休息睡觉轮船牛奶啤酒昂贵留言开会讨论足球伦敦湿润餐快水果陶醉树立 Well done.